Hey brother, welcome back to my channel. What I am going to be doing in today's video is going through a product that's selling well right now on eBay. This strategy will help you to find good products to sell on eBay and make money online. So I'm sure that you are definitely going to get value out of this video. Before we start, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so don't miss out any of my future videos. And don't forget to make a quick like and make a comment below. Let's get started. Let's get right into the video. You are definitely going to learn a lot in terms of what you need to look out for. So let's get right into the video. Before I'm going to show you a product that's selling really well right now in eBay. I'm gonna go through my 3 steps method. As you know, the first thing is go over to eBay. Second thing, I go over to Terabic. I use Terabic to check the sales rate, and then the third thing I do is go over to Alibaba, check if I can import that product or not, to make sure that the product is available for us to import. I want you to know that eBay has added a new feature into Terabic. I'm going to explain that in a bit more detail with this product. I just want you to know that will help you to grow on eBay. This feature used to be available for us to use. Bear in mind that this product is selling well right now in eBay. You are most likely going to have success with. It depends on how you market it. So let's jump into the video. Let's jump right into the video. The product is kids tablet. As you can see here, he sold over 1k. This is one of the lowest sales rate at the price point of $16. This seller is making a lot of money. He is definitely making money with this product, and you can start with this product. His positive rate is 908%. So what I will do, I will go over to Terabic to see if the sales rate is good or not. So exactly how this product is doing. So now we need to go over to Terabic and search for kids tablet. Now here you need to type in kids tablet, and after that you need to click search. As you know, you need to click on new and fixed price and best of accepted. Here we go. The sales rate is 40%. It's not bad. We are getting that bit by bit, and total item sales is $308,000 and total sold is 20k. You can definitely make money from this product online. You can use this product to dropship. Now what you need to do, you need to scroll down. Here you can see this seller, he made over $6,000 from this product. As you can see here, this seller made over $27k, and here $19,000, and here $15,000, and here $14,000, and here $30,000. You can start with this product, brother, and make a lot of money if you use this strategy, and trust me, you can make a lot of money. Now we need to go over to Alibaba.com to know if this product is available for us to import or not. Let's go over to Alibaba and search for this product. Now what you need to do is click on search and type in kids tablet. Click search, and straight away the first seller on Alibaba has been on there for 15 years, which is the highest one that we have seen. And here this seller has been on there for 7 years, and here 1 year is 2. Now you can start your eBay store with this one here with this product. It's easy and simple to start and make a lot of money. This strategy will help you to find good products to sell on eBay. Just you need to start. So if you decide to sell this product, what I would do if I wanted to sell this product is that I would brand my store electronic. So if you wanted to get into kids tablet, this might be a product that you might want to consider. That's the end. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so don't miss out any of my future videos, and don't forget to make a quick like and make a comment below. Stay safe.